Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia C31. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. At the beginning, let's go to Google Pay. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, check quick tips, manage your passes, add new passes, and if you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, which is unavailable because this phone doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, manage your passwords, and in your data in wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end you can go to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.